Okay, so ever wondered if you would find a way to grab the transcripts of YouTube videos? So during holiday, I kind of built this small tool to do this for me. So instead of watching the videos, I could actually get the transcript and then summarize the transcript so that I can just focus on the information that is important inside the video instead of trying to watch the whole video. Maybe it's a 30-minute video or a 45-minute video or so, but then trying to read all of it, that will take a long time. So I created this. So the thing that you need is you need to get the video URL and then paste it here. So let's get a video. Let's have a look at what videos we could look at. Alright. Okay, maybe not that one. Could be something interesting. Okay, maybe not that one. Let's have a look at what videos are here. It could be interesting. Okay, my favorite home server. This one. Maybe another one. Okay, learn C++ by making game. No. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Let's just take this video, copy the file, the link, go back to here, paste the link, and press enter. So this will load up the video, and then as you can see, we can maybe let me just try to resize this. So let's resize this just to meet our frame. Okay, so yeah, then you have your transcript. It's already loading. So this is using eSpeak. This is eSpeak is a Linux application that that can use text to speech. It sounds very robotic and machiney, but
the state of Google. Have you noticed that it's been quite some time since Google has hit a home run? Almost everything they've launched basically since Chrome back in 2008 has fallen flat of expectations or been a complete failure. This is
okay, so it's kind of reading this transcript, but you can listen to it if you want. But so that's not a really good sounding thing. So maybe we can use AI to actually make it more friendly and easy to consume. So here we've also implemented these two APIs. So you need a key for OpenAI. So OpenAI is the one that's using to generate the summary. If we press summary, and then 11 Labs is used to make the summary sound human-like. So let's get those moving. So let's get the key for AI so that we can get the summary. Also paste it here. So you can use your own key. These are some demo keys. They will expire soon. So just paste it here. So once you have these in, then you can just close it or something. Okay, so next thing is you want to enable the standard audio and the audio synthesized. So audio synthesized is basically more human-like audio, which is used by, we're using 11 Labs for that. And then we just press summary, request for the summary. As you can see, it's processing that information, so it's basically taking this information and doing some AI stuff to it, and then pulling out the summary together with some of the audio. Here you go, and there you go, we have the summary. So this is the same audio as this one. So if you play
hash summary asterisk asterisk the state of Google asterisk asterisk. Google has experienced a string of unsuccessful product launches and declining usage of their flagship products like Chrome, Gmail, and Android. Even YouTube, one of their major platforms, has shown signs of weakening as revenue has declined for 3 consecutive quarters. In response to these challenges, Google is refocusing its attention on the enterprise market, particularly with Google Cloud. Asterisk asterisk early struggles colon asterisk asterisk. In 2008, Google entered the cloud scene with the launch of App Engine, aiming to make it easier for developers to launch websites. However, despite offering a generous free quota and affordable options, they failed to retain developers due to limitations in customizability and practicality for production applications. Subsequent additions to their cloud offering also failed to attract significant interest from enterprise customers and developers. Asterisk asterisk a breaking point colon asterisk asterisk. Google's attempts to compete with AWS and Azure proved unsuccessful, and they struggled to gain a foothold in the cloud market despite slashing prices and acquiring smaller cloud providers. Asterisk asterisk a Google miracle colon asterisk asterisk. Into
As you can see, this is reading in this summary. So the summary is formatted in Markdown, so you can copy and paste this text and then add it to a file, like to a file, and I'm not sure if to add to a file, and then rename it as .md, so Markdown. Okay, so it also generated the synthesis audio. So the synthesis audio is using 11 labs to do this, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, not sure why that's not working. Maybe there's a problem, and we can try to download it. So this is the audio. Okay, so not sure what's the problem. Maybe send to the desktop. Let's just check the file size if there is a file box. Okay, this must be a problem. Alright, so yeah, so once you have that, then basically you can, let's see if we can play this audio file. There is a problem there, so let's try to generate the audio again. Not sure if okay, it's taking a little bit longer. Okay, so it seems that it has generated the audio for us. Maybe some connection problems, but yeah. Okay, so let's play the synthesis audio.
Asterisk summary of the state of Google. Google has had a series of unsuccessful product launches and is losing ground in multiple areas, such as web browsing, email, and video streaming. The only bright spot amidst these failures is Google Cloud, which is gaining momentum in the enterprise market. Google's initial foray into cloud services with App Engine failed due to a lack of customizability and practicality for production applications. Google tried to compete with AWS and Azure using consumer-focused strategies like Google Drive and aggressive price cuts, but failed to attract significant customers. The arrival of Thomas Kurian, with his enterprise expertise, led to a transformation in Google Cloud's approach. Google Cloud shifted its focus to providing straightforward, reliable solutions and formed partnerships with open-source platforms, attracting major clients.
Okay, so that's the synthesis voice. There might be some small problem, but yeah, so that's how that works. So this is this small application, YouTube Summariser. You can use it, but you need an OpenAI key and a 11-app key to make it work. So you can visit ytp.sfl.ws to actually have a look at the tool. And so forth. So if you do want to watch the video, you can just watch the video here.
Have you noticed that
summary?
It's been quite some time since Google hit a home run? Almost everything.
Okay. So yeah, so that's how to use that. Okay, I think that's a small video in terms of the YouTube Transcript Summariser. Okay, thanks for watching, and yeah, hope you use it and do some fun stuff with it. Right?